What is good, guys? Okay, right now I'm home alone with my little brother, and I'm playing GTA. Right now, my brother's playing right now. This is my baby squirrel. Whenever he gets near the dog, or the dog gets near him, he makes the funniest noise in the world. Let's listen. You see me? Oh. Okay, I gotta sit down. Okay, I see you now. Yeah. Get in. You look like an alien. A big fat alien. He's not doing it anymore. Hold on. Yeah. Get in, boy. Get out of the car, boy. This is hilarious. Okay, guys. That's enough of the funny noises. Peace out.